Come, dears. Come this way.
Okay, Nana.
Now sit here in my saran-wrap chair.
Okay,
you get
Nana.
your cooties everywhere.
Okay, Nana.
So, your mother talked to me the other day.
Yes, Nana.
You're so cute.
I know.
Yeah. Okay, just like your mother.
Just like my mother.
Okay, anyways. I think you're a little bit too young and a little immature, if you will. But your mother wanted me to talk to you. Shh. Listen, this is important. Listen to me. She wanted me to talk to you about the birds and the bees.
What's a bee?
A bee
What's a bird?
is well, let's just say it this way. Sex. You know,
Nana, that was a bad word.
in my time, nobody taught us about nothing. Learned that the hard way.
Nana.
So I just wanted to make sure that
I'm only in the 3rd grade.
I told you, Mama! I told her! Oh,
Nana, don't have a heart attack on the floor.
I told you, Mama, you was too young.
Don't have a heart attack! Mother trucker!
Help!
Trucker. I'm not 3, Nana. I'm really 30. I'm Esther. She's in heaven now.